to Citi Pharma, Pakistan's premier manufacturer and exporter of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, our state-of-the-art facility, spread on more than 100 acres of land, stands as a testament to innovation and excellence in pharmaceutical manufacturing. With a diverse product portfolio of over 30 pharmaceutical APIs, including amoxicillin, paracetamol, and all generations of cephalosporins, we cater to the global demand for high-quality pharmaceuticals. Our general formulation products further underscore our commitment to comprehensive healthcare solutions. At the core of our operations is our paracetamol plant, the largest in Pakistan, boasting a remarkable production capacity of 400 metric tons per month. This is a significant leap from our initial capacity of 50 metric tons, a growth fueled by the trust and demand from our national and international clientele. Our exclusive cephalosporins manufacturing plant produces vital antibiotics with a capacity of 10 metric tons per month. Adhering to good manufacturing practices, we ensure each batch meets the highest standards of quality, efficacy, and safety. Precision defines our amoxicillin manufacturing plant, where we produce a vital antibiotic used worldwide. With a capacity of 50 metric tons per month, we meet global demand with unmatched quality. Step into the world of Citi Naturals, where nature's finest ingredients merge with cutting-edge science. Our premium ahis, herbs, and extracts are crafted to perfection, trusted in prestigious markets like Dubai, Uzbekistan, and the USA. Welcome to our Pakistan's largest research and development lab, where precision and innovation converge. Equipped with advanced technology, our labs handle everything from molecular docking studies to clinical trials with unparalleled accuracy, paving the way for groundbreaking therapies. Through certification programs and partnerships with educational institutions, we empower the next generation of pharmaceutical leaders. As part of our commitment to a greener future, Citi Pharma has harnessed the power of the sun, transforming our facility into a solar-powered powerhouse. This sustainable energy initiative underscores our dedication to environmental responsibility. Nestled on over 100 acres of verdant land, Citi Pharma's facility is not just a hub of innovation, but also a testament to our commitment to the environment. We take pride in our green surroundings, and every guest at our facility contributes to our vision by planting a tree. This tradition reinforces our dedication to nurturing the planet for future generations. At Citi Pharma, we are dedicated to fostering a sustainable and inclusive future, making a meaningful impact on society while advancing global health. Join us on our journey of globalization, innovation, quality, and care.